Hello again, boys and girls. So the difference between example 1 and example 2 is we're actually going to find the quotient using the algorithm. So you already are familiar with the first step. And of course, I forgot to mention, don't forget to estimate before you do this. So I would say that 72/100 is pretty close to 1. So I'm going to estimate 25 divided by 1. So I know my quotient is going to be around 25 or so. Okay? So we're going to find the quotient, but first, we must convert your decimal division expression into fraction division expression. So I set it up for you down here. So take a look at your decimal form. How many places must I move my decimal to make it a whole number? 2. So what do you multiply by? Not 10, 100. So since you multiply your denominator by 100, you also need to multiply your numerator by 100. But wait a minute. I got to move my decimal 2 places to the right. What happened? 1, 2. That means we have to add a 0 here. So the solution here is 2520, which is 2,520 over 72. Okay? Now we're going to use the division algorithm to find the quotient. But we're going to use these numbers, and we don't have to worry about the decimal. Okay? So now we're going to set up my algorithm. 2,520. I'm going to use the Eureka way. Okay? I know my quotient can be around 25, so I'm going to assume that I'm starting in my tens place. And I also know this because I know 72 does not go into 2 or 25, but it does go into 252. So take a wild guess how many 72s you think can go into 252. So I'm going to try 3 to start. The Eureka way says you can multiply right in the problem. So what's 2 times 3, or 3 times 2? 6. 3 times 7 is 21. Now I can go ahead and subtract. Can't do 2 minus 6. 12 minus 6 is 6. 4 minus 1 is 3. Though I always double check to make sure 72 can't go into 36 anymore, and it can't. So I'm going to carry down the 0. How many times does 72 go into 360? Take a wild guess. I'm going to guess, I know 72 times 3 is 216. So I'm going to try 5 times. So 5 times 2 is 10. Here's the Eureka way. Carry the 1. Bring down the 0. 5 times 7 is 35. Plus 1, 36. My solution, 35. And that's not too far off from my estimate. Okay, now try the rest of the packet. Good luck.